What's up, guys? And today we're gonna let out this bird that I found on the tree. He fell down. He broke his leg. I found him like 2 weeks ago, and I'm about to let him free. You see now he's kind of like crazy because he's already good. There go his friends over there. Camera person, can you aim over there? There go his friends. So, and aim back at me. So today we're gonna be starting letting this bird on free. Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Come on.
Ready, my friend? I'm gonna take this bird out.
Come on, do it.
And I better get more than 200 billion subscribers. So if you want to subscribe, alright? 1, 2, 3.
Come on.
Here you go. Nice, lovely bird went out.
You're going home.
Going home, no home, sweet home. So right here for this distance, he already ate all his food. Even my camera person even gave him some food and he still ate them. Well, he didn't eat the big piece. He's on diet. He's on diet. So we need this one. Wait. So that's it, guys. If you want to subscribe to my channel, to Alex Gonzalez's channel, please subscribe. See you guys later. See you later.